Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss hematology MCQs part first. The descriptive name of factor 5 is option A tissue factor, B fibrinogen, C prochondroitin and option D labile factor. So the correct option is D labile factor. Explanation is factor 5 is also called labile factor because it is unstable and degrades quickly. The contact activation pathway is also known as option A common pathway, B intrinsic pathway, C tissue factor pathway and option D both B and C. So the correct option is B intrinsic pathway. Explanation is the contact activation pathway is part of the intrinsic pathway of coagulation initiated by factors like factor 12, factor 11 and factor 8. Subscribe now and press the bell icon, never miss an update from Ali Technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which of the following inhibits platelet aggregation is dash? Option A ADP, option B both A and B, option C platelets and option D prostacyclin. So the correct option is D prostacyclin. The prostacyclin is released by endothelial cells and inhibits platelet aggregation. Thrombocytopenia does not occur in option A malaria, B splenectomy, C aplastic anemia and option D hypersplenism. So the correct option is B splenectomy. Explanation is thrombocytopenia low platelet occur in malaria, aplastic anemia and hypersplenism, but splenectomy often increases platelet counts due to reduced sequestration. Which of the following is the example of normocytic normochromic anemia? Option A IDA, option B megaloblastic anemia, C G6PD deficiency and option D aplastic anemia. So the correct option is D aplastic anemia. The aplastic anemia results in normal sized normocytic and normal colored normochromic RBC, unlike IDA microcytic or megaloblastic anemia macrocytic. So this is very important MCQs. Coagulation factors are proteins present in plasma in dash form. Option A active, B conjugate, C inactive and option D sensitized. So the correct option is C inactive. The most coagulation factors circulate is inactive zymogen until activated during clotting. Prevention of blood loss is known as option A clotting, B hemostasis, C both A and B and option D none of the above. So the correct option is B hemostasis. The hemostasis is the process of stopping bleeding while clotting is a part of it. The blood vessel, platelets and coagulation factors are involved in forming a permanent plug-in. Option A primary hemostasis, B secondary hemostasis, C both A and B and option D none of the above. So the correct option is B, secondary hemostasis. So the secondary hemostasis coagulation cascade stabilize the platelet plug with fibrin. So this is very important MCQs. The decrease in MCV below normal is termed is option A, normocytic, option B, macrocytic, C, microcytic, and option D, hypochromic. So the correct option is C, microcytic. When low MCV, microcytic, for example, iron deficiency anemia. Cystocytes are option A, pencil-like RBC, B, target cells, C, fragmented RBC, and option D, spherocytes. So the correct option is C, fragmented RBC. Explanation is cystocytes are RBC fragments seen in microangiopathic hemolytic anemia. Karyocytes are formed due to the removal of DASH by petting action of the spleen. Option A, Hen's bodies, B, nucleus, C, RNA, and option D, Howell-Jolly bodies. So the correct option is B, nucleus. Karyocytes are RBCs with removed nuclei. Which type of WBC increases above normal in viral infections? Option A, neutrophil, B, basophil, C, eosinophil, and option D, lymphocytes. So the correct option is D, lymphocyte. The lymphocytosis is typically in viral infection, for example, EBV and hepatitis. The clotting factors of the common pathway include, so the correct option is B, factor 10, factor 5, factor 2, and factor 1. If you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। So this is very important MCQs. The variation in the shape of RBCs is termed as option A, poikilocytosis, B, anisocytosis, C, macrocytosis, and option D, microcytosis. So the correct option is A, poikilocytosis. Poikilocytosis, abnormal RBC shapes, for example, spherocytes, cystocytes. The sole gel zone of platelets is also known as option A, metabolic zone, B, organelle zone, C, peripheral zone, and option D, structure zone. So the correct option is B, organelle zone. Explanation is the organelle zone contains granules, mitochondria, and microtubules. Thank you for watching my videos.